SPX basketball. Thank you, Carolyn, for the purchase. I do appreciate it. We got 4 boxes left for you out of the fresh case. So boxes 3, 4, 5, and 7. Which one you want? 7 ball. Number 7 coming at you. What's up, card collector? We're doing a personal box break of SPX basketball for Carolyn. Closest thing going on group breaks is Crown Football and the Football Mixer and the Exquisite. They're all in the same ballpark, 24 to 28 spots. Got a lot of stuff for personals, though. If anybody needs action, we can keep doing these. We can do hit drafts. Hit drafts are good on Certified Football, Crown Football. That's the best for hit drafts. Let's do this, she says. All right. You want me to open all the packs and then set them here and go through it, or do you want me to do one at a time? One at a time. All right, you got it. First up, Finite Yao Ming to $7.99, 204 of $7.99 Yao Ming. She's a teeth. Oh, there's a nice Jordan insert. Nice Jordan insert. Hold on. Trying to turn it here. There it is. Michael Jordan on the insert. I don't think there's an auto on there, is there? Nope. Nice card, nonetheless. As Sketchy says, the Michael Jordan cards in this are worth a decent amount. What's the what? Lettering? What do you mean letter? Oh, 97-25 is the number. 97-25. Here's a nice one. I just had a Alfred Payton sold pretty easily for like $15 or $20. It wasn't this card, but seems to be that he's a liked guy. 124 of 499. Alfred Payton, auto jersey patch, Louisiana Lafayette. Nice hit. $40 insert on the Jordan. That's insane. I can't believe it's that much. That's awesome. Nice box then. Jordan and the Payton. I bet you that Payton brings a couple bucks. At least 10 to 20 bucks. Maybe. Another auto. This is a base auto of Jordan Adams, a guard for UCLA. Jordan Adams. Another hit. Chasing MJ. We're chasing MJ. Finite. 319 of 499. Doug McDermott. Chasing that Jordan. Woo. Instagram. My Instagram is at @BrickisBreaks. My personal is at BrickDog24, but my business account for the hits in this on this site is at @BrickisBreaks. What do we got here? We got winning material combo, TJ Warren and Adrian Payne for the Spartans and Wolfpack 2-color winning material combo. You're my 100th follower, huh? I thought you were already following. I don't know. You got a couple packs. Let's see. I'm pretty happy with 100 after this this quick. That's more followers than most people that have been on this site for 6 months to a year. So I'm happy with that. Things are going well. We just need to keep it rolling, build the base, get some more group breaks filled up. Another insert, North Carolina, but this one's for Stackhouse. All right, what's next? Finite, Bill Walton. Finite, Bill Walton to $7.99. Two packs left. What do we got here? We have North Carolina again. This one is a winning big materials for PJ Hairston. PJ Hairston, winning big materials. I feel like you got more hits than, I don't know, it just feels that way. Last pack. Last pack has a Larry Bird insert. Larry Bird, 97-21. 97-21 for the Larry Bird. All right, that is a single box break for Carolyn on the SPX basketball. Thank you, Carolyn.